Alright, so what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is a Yeezy unboxing. I'm trying my best to work with the lighting that I have now. I made a mistake and broke the light bulb that I needed. Plus, it's really late at night, so that natural sunlight isn't coming through, but I hope you guys are excited for what I got because I'm super excited to show you what I have. This is pretty much another part of my birthday gift in my month-long January post. I actually got two pair of Yeezys for my birthday, one that I purchased and one that my best friend Teddy got for me. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like and comment. It really helps the channel out. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, of course, I got my hookah on deck. So I got two pair of Yeezys, one I purchased, one that my best friend Teddy got me for my birthday. Thank you so much. So the first pair I actually wore. They are super comfortable. I really wanted these and I was nervous because when I got the box, I was like, oh, hell no. But I saw someone wearing them out and I was like, I think I like those. So I went ahead and copped the 450s. I got them in resin. Yeezy 450 resin. I wear size 9 in case anybody wants to buy me some Yeezys. But this is what they look like. Bam! So I was nervous when I got the box because I'm like, damn, this box is so little. I'm so used to my Yeezys coming in big boxes. All the slides that I purchased are like in a big box. In a big box. This was a little skinny box, so I was nervous. But these are the bad boys. So again, I wore these. I actually wore them the day after my birthday with this outfit. Super comfortable. They feel like socks. Like when you put your foot in it, it feels like a sock, like a very comfortable sock, like a supported sock. I don't really know how to explain it. Now, I will say that I thought again it was gonna be hard to wear with outfits because the back of it is so like sockish. And it's also like, I don't know, it's kind of like tight and tugged in. It's a really low sneaker. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but right here they look really weird. It looks like I don't know. It kind of looks like an orange. Like if you got an orange and you split it in half, that's what it looks like to me. But the bottom is really cool. Super comfortable. Obviously in the inside, it says Yeezy in Ortholite. I love these. I actually think I want to get them in a black pair, and I wish they came in like a gray or a lime green or orange pair. That would be fire, like a fire orange or like a muted orange on the inside. Yeah, Yeezy, put me on the creative directive team. Even a red pair would be fire. Yeah, definitely want to grab these in another color. So be on the lookout. I definitely think I'm gonna grab the black pair. I actually got those from GOAT. I purchased from GOAT because I trust them. I personally don't know how to authenticate shoes to tell you what's real and what's fake because I always just buy from GOAT and they verify that it's real, so I'm gonna say that it's authentic. Let's just go ahead and get on to my new favorites. I'm actually so excited to share these because they look so freaking cool. It is the Yeezy Knit RNR. This box, see now this is the box I'm used to. It's so big, it's so huge. Again, size 9, Yeezy Knit RNR. It says the color is sulfur. I don't know, let's go ahead and open the box. Oh, these are sexy as fuck. Oh my God. They are big, but they fit perfect. Like perfectly. Like a glove. The shoe almost fits like a glove. This is what they look like. Yo, you can't tell me that this isn't fly. The detailing is insane. So the bottom looks like that. The bottom is so cool. The size of it looks so cool. It's like a ripple, and I feel like this bottom part is like, it's like soft, but this part is like hard, but not hard that it's uncomfortable. On the side right here, it has some cool detailing. It says designed in USA, waterproof, which is very good to know. And then it says your size here, which is a size 9. This part up here is like a strap, so you can unstrap it and just slide your foot in. Now, putting your foot inside, it does feel like going down, and then it goes like fits in kind of perfectly. I can't wait to style these. I actually don't know what I'm gonna wear with it, but I know whatever I wear, it's gonna be fly as hell because these shoes gotta match. These are some fire ass Yeezys. I did want the other Yeezy boots, but I just kept looking at some reviews of them, and the review as far as the sizing was so off. Like, one guy said he wears a size 9, but he got a size 11. And then another guy said he wears size 9 and he got a size like 8.5. And I'm just like, I don't have time to be going through back and forth trying to find my size when I know I wear a size 9 in Yeezys. But these bad boys are so fire. And I feel like I'm like 2 to 3 inches taller in them when I put them on. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little lookbook for y'all with these. And yeah, I'm dumb excited. I feel like all the shoes I want to get are just Yeezys. Like, thumbnail me, baby. This is how I want to live the rest of my life. Now, if these come in different colors, definitely copping them. Definitely copping them, period. But I just can't get over how the bottom looks. Like, this really makes me like 2 to 3 inches taller. It's so comfy. They feel so soft. I'm a little nervous to wear them because I don't want these to get wet. Although they say they're waterproof, I'm gonna try to get like some sealant or like the spray that you spray on like the fitted caps or like Air Force Ones to keep them clean, just because I want to protect them. I don't think I'll be wearing them as much because it's not a shoe that I feel like I should be wearing every day. But I'm dumb excited to wear them. Got the Adidas logo on the back right there. Super fire. 10 out of 10 will definitely recommend both of them. Super comfortable. These I don't feel as tall in. These I feel extremely tall in. These are like every day you could put on, go somewhere. These are like, okay, I'm stepping out, bitch. Look at me. Fly shit only. Period. So I ain't even gonna talk y'all ears off. I can't wait to show y'all how I style them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Give me some suggestions on what y'all want to see as far as how I should style them. Should I wear a jacket? Should I wear shorts? Should I wear jeans? Should I tuck them in? I really don't like tucking in my pants and my shoes, but I think this will be a fire look with them tucked in up top. I actually want to wear some black pants with these. Oh yeah, I'm picturing it now. I can't wait to wear them, but all right, that's gonna be the end of this video. Go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, a big like, and let me know what I should do next. I got another sneaker video coming out. I just haven't picked them up from my P.O. box yet, but once I get a chance to get them, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that video up too. So yeah, I feel like I wanna wear only Yeezys for the rest of my life, but I'm not gonna say that yet. I ain't gonna say that yet because I know y'all gonna clown me, but yeah, I'm done, I'm out. See you next time. As always, see you in the next video.